Peanut, I'm trying to record my video. I am. Hello on this rainy day, and welcome to another SketchBox unboxing. This is for the month of November, the premium box. So let's get started and see what we have. Okay, so we're starting off not as in my strong suit with a medium water brush from Tombow. Then we have 5 of the Holbein artist gouache. I can't wait to try these. So I've always wanted to try gouache. Ooh, what is that? A Royal Talens Extra fine gouache bottle. This purple is so pretty. Of course, all of the inside pieces of paper. And then last but not least, the 4x1 by 8.3 watercolor postcards, which are really, really cute. And look at this cute SketchBox sticker. I'm in love. So let's jump in. This time I wanted to try something a little bit different with my speed painting, because usually I'll do a swatch and then I'll go in with the colors. But this time I was already inspired with so many things that I see on Instagram. So I just went ahead and rough sketched a girl and went right in with drawing. Actually, I really like how this one turned out a lot. And the colors, oh my goodness, I don't know, it might be between gouache and acrylics, which are my favorite now. So we'll see. Excuse the rustling in the back. Some naughty Peanut. Don't do that. My dogs are so naughty. But yes, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the gouache is so fun. I love the colors, the vibrancy. I like that you can make them more watered down if you wanted to, with just a little bit of water, and the color would still stay vibrant. It would just be a little bit more opaque. So it really allowed for some amazing layers and shadows and contrast. But other than that, I think the texture of it really is what stood out to me the most, because not only is it like smooth and creamy gouache paint, but it really does have like this thickness to it, and it really gives the painting some great shapes and layers and things like that. So I cannot wait to keep creating more with gouache. When it came to decorating or coloring in her skin tone, I'm not gonna lie, was really nervous, because I just love this drawing so much. I didn't want to ruin it. Does anyone else get that way when you're in the middle of it and it's coming along nicely, and all of a sudden you just start trusting yourself? You're just like, okay, I'm definitely gonna ruin this now, Should probably stop, but I'm glad that I didn't because I really enjoy how the colors turned out, the shadows, the shading. As I said, the gouache just really didn't let me down at all. I think I should have used a lighter yellow for the flowers though instead, just because that didn't turn out as bright as I wanted it to. But other than that, I think everything else was really great. The green and the purple swimsuit was a lot of fun. I guess if I could redo it, I would probably make the main swimsuit green and make the fur purple. But other than that, I really like this painting. So without further ado, I am going to let the speed paint go through, and I hope you like it. And until next time, bye.